Holy shit. Ain't gonna happen to me.
Hey, he got a big ass knife. He ain't fucking around here. Hey, what are y'all doing?
What are you doing?
Come on, man.
Now everybody, we hear
Man,
guns
fuck.
every fucking week. Ain't nobody.
Come on, man.
Get the
Get
kids.
off the kids.
Man, get the kids.
Those kids have been back.
Get out. Get out the car. Get out the
Get
car.
out the car. Fuck the truck. Man, get. Y'all gonna keep on this? Are y'all serious? This is niggas fighting?
You got some. You guys got a steak or anything? Lunch, maybe? Yeah, I'm gonna grab an axe.
They need to put them dogs down, man. If I had a knife, I would take them out.
Look, we're not going to get them any more agitated than what they are. We got animal control coming.
Skip that damn dog, man, please. Get them damn dogs, man. Y'all stay up there like big girls. Y'all be big girls to stay up there.
Stay right there. Don't come down.
No, that's the, they got the fire department out here right now. Go more towards them girls, man. I gotta get the dog away from here with these girls, man. If y'all can, please. Get them away from them girls, yeah. Push them up to the street. Shit, give me one of them sticks, I'll help you.
Hey, you need medical? You need medical attention? Oh yeah, you better believe it, man. Come on down here, I got a knife.
Oh, it got me in my face and shit.
I'm
shooting the fuck out. Who
Hey.
told you those?
Hey, come on over here by these EMT people. Show him that.
I don't know where my
Is
glasses
anybody
are.
else bit?
Yeah, I got a dude in his head. I need my shoe. Ah,
Here you go.
I don't know where my glasses are.
Yes.
My nephew. My nephew got rid of my nephew.
Hey, dude,
They got their toys.
I'm going home.
Where's the owner?
I'm
The two blue ones?
The one in the red shirt?
Yeah, the one in the red.
How come he can't control the dog?
I don't know. He dropped.
Where is your parents at, man?
They're not his dogs. Whose are they? I've never seen them before.
Well,
You guys got pepper spray?
no. Just stay where you're at.
Where's animal control?
Get up higher. Get up higher.
You're fine. Hey, you're fine where you are.
Be quiet, be quiet.
Okay, you're fine.
Just be good little girls and stay up there.
They're coming over here now.
These dogs aren't going to hurt you anymore, but screaming and yelling is just going to get them agitated.
He's real bit up.
If we can keep them around here.
You guys see how bloody he was? Be careful.
So where is the actual animal control people that's supposed to
Right
deal
here.
with special officers? Have they been notified?
They're right here. They're on scene right now.
Well, why aren't those gentlemen helping you gentlemen? That's crazy. Y'all doing all the work.
These dogs will be put down. They'll find out where those dogs
These are the guys right here. They've already bit multiple people. Do what?
Yes, a child and two men. My cousin tried running away from them. And they tore his pants and bit him in the neck.
Really?
Yes, they did. Yeah, they bit him in the neck.
He's the one over here on the playground?
They bit his neck. He tried to get up on the playground and they chased after him and was biting him on the ground. He ripped his pants, everything.
I just keep them where they're at.
Ambulance is right over there.
Yeah, they got the dogs out here. We got the water to keep them out of there.
I'm going to stand by those kids if you want somebody over by those kids.
I can spray them down, keep them out of there.
These dogs we put down like
Yeah, I can spray it down and keep them out.
Y'all gonna have to help them dogs doing
he's not going to get you.
Hey, officer, there's some bloody people over here. Watch out.
No, it's.
They're not mine.
Are these?
I have no
The
idea.
one is black and the lighter one is Asian.
That's your dog?
My uncle.
They're your uncle's dog? How'd they get out?
They ran out the door when
There's too many people around for that, man.
Are they gonna grab these things or we gonna drop them? Okay. Sounds like they bit like 4 people.
See that guy's shin, ankle? He's roughed up, man.
The tan one or the black one?
I have no idea which one bit him.
Oh, what are you talking about? The person? The guy? Oh, I didn't see. I thought you were talking about the
You
dog.
pull me more line, or is that all we got? Yeah, give me as much as we got.
Hey!
Give me all of it.
Come across the front. You can get him.
Get behind me, dude.
Yeah,
Get behind me with you.
I'm behind you.
Can you put a leash on that?
Can you get the one?
Can you at least get the one?
No.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. There's a couple people real roughed up over there. A big man.
Over on the playground?
Yeah. If you got an ambulance coming or what, that'd be nice. They're not life-threatening, I don't think. Good shot.
Do we know who was bit?
Yeah, they're over in the park.
That guy knew this dog. That was the owner. Because he laid down when he got close to him. Hey, load his neck. Just a little more so I can get him up. Come on.
A few rabid dogs bit up a couple people in the park. Really bad. Took a fire hose and a gunshot to get the dogs in control.
Jesus.
Yeah. You can go through now though. They got them in the back of that cage.
Cool.
Well done.